I have my E-flite Carbon-Z Cessna 150T here ready to go. Left and right on the ailerons and left and right on the rudder. Up and down. The rudder is having some trouble because of the tall grass. The wheel is not moving, so hopefully we'll get right up. We're going to take off in landing mode. The grass is short, but it was just cut yesterday, but still pretty long for that rear wheel, as you can probably see. So here we go. We're going to take off with the Carbon-Z Cessna. And there's a lot of wind right now. That's a big gust. Took off in AS3X. A little bit better, not great, but around, so we'll have to pray the wind is not as strong as it is. If it stays here and consistent, that's okay, but if it's gusty, that can be dangerous. So let's see if we can do a touch and go.
2 minutes.
Cut it around, and there we are. Come down a little lower. And I'm gliding in here. That was actually a very nice touch and go. The flight time, 6 minutes of powered flight. Throttle up.
20 seconds.
Little gusty here, I'm going to take it up. So.
9 minutes.
Plus minutes usually, depending on how much I've hit the throttle. Hitting the throttle a little harder today because of the wind. And we're a little floaty there, so I'm going to take it around again. I think we have enough wind that I probably don't even need flaps again. That's what I did earlier on my early flight. First flight I did with my Cessna. So there we go. Here we got a little more wind again, so we're going to try to get it down under the wind. This is looking a lot better. And there she is, the Cessna 150 T. T for tail dragger. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and there'll be more videos of this plane to come.